Prophecy Rock actually is known as life plan or path, Katsinoboti, that it does lay out of two paths that actually humanity has a choice on, either a description given for the top path referred to as the materialistic path, or the bottom one, which is the right path to follow, with certain predictions and previsions tied into it. But top path of materialism shows the people all unified. But if we continue of our ways of destruction, taking from the earth, or even the world leaders press the buttons for all the nuclear atomic missile heads, or the Ma South's description given as the gourd full of ash, destruction, doing away with humanity and the earth, and will be bits of particle dust in the endless space. But if we follow the right path and continue in the right manner of our life path that has been laid out, and if we do continue to the extent of the end days or judgment days, the leader or savior that is to come will be leading the exodus of people into the next level or next world.